Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your license and the plugin version so you know whether the watermark is expected. Once done, back up the project and media to avoid accidental loss. Make sure the host application and Rsmb are compatible. Mismatches often cause display issues that look like watermarking. You'll save time by confirming these basics before deeper troubleshooting, because many watermark-like artifacts stem from version or registration problems rather than broken footage. Now focus on legitimate remedies. Obtain or renew the official license and apply it through the vendor's activation steps. Once registered, reinstall the plugin using the official registered installer rather than trial files and restart the host app. Then render a short test clip to verify the watermark is gone. If the watermark persists, check plugin logs and host preferences, because activation errors or cached trial files can leave traces that require a clean reinstall to clear. For final steps, clear any plugin cache and reset the host application preferences to ensure no trial remnants remain. If problems continue, contact the plugin vendor with your registration info, error logs, and screenshots so they can resolve activation issues. As an alternative, consider using host native motion blur or another licensed plugin if support is slow. If you run into persistent artifacts, make sure to include exact host/plugin versions in support requests to speed up diagnosis and resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.